You know, many people, many people laugh at me and say, oh, she's alone. She got nobody. She's an easy target. She's so alone. That poor girl is so alone. But no, I got an army of angels with me 24/7. I got my creator with me 24/7. And yeah, I might not have friends. And yeah, I might not have a mommy and a daddy because my mommy and daddy passed away. And they became my soulmate, my soul guardians, my spirit guardians. But even when I had my mommy and daddy, they were karmics. But then after they passed away, they decided to become my guardian angels. So honestly, I never had anybody. But it's okay. I had God though, and that was enough. That was more than enough. Because you know why? He was real. So whoever this message is for, if you think you have nobody, you have the highest power with you 24/7. You might not even know it now, but you have him with you. Go to him. He'll show you who he is. Because he is I am. He will say, I am. He will show you all the miracles if you believe, right? So the people out there who are laughing at me and the people out there who judge me and the people out there that recruited all these people against me based on lies about me because of one evil sister who tried to ruin me, right? And then hired all these people just to ruin me. What happened? Nothing. I'm still here, girl. I'm still living my life. I'm doing what I want to do. I'm traveling. I'm walking. I'm independent. And that's what you hated about me. I kept on asking God, why does she hate me so much? She has everything. She has a beautiful home. She has 3 beautiful children. She has a decent husband. Why does she hate me so much? He says she hates you because you're independent. You don't depend on no man. No, you never depend on anybody. And you never have. And she always had to depend on people. But you self-made, girl. That's how I blessed you, he said. So yeah, that's why she was jealous of me, because I was independent. I did whatever I wanted to do because I went to school, I made money, and then she ruined my career. It's okay. No, I have a different career now. You see? And if she ruins this career, I'll pick another career. I don't care, because you know what? Life will continue. She thinks she can ruin me, right? But no. God is greater. So if there's anybody against you out there, they will learn. They will learn the hard way. Because your creator will show them. So keep doing you. Keep loving you. Keep being loyal to you. Keep trusting yourself. If somebody doesn't trust you, that's fine. You trust yourself to the max. If somebody's not loyal to you, you be loyal to you to the max. If somebody doesn't love you, you love yourself to the max. Fuck them. Because guess what? You come first. I don't care what anybody says. And I'm sorry using the F word, but you come effing first. I don't care what anybody says. You must love yourself first. Because if you don't love yourself, then you know what? When you're with somebody and they leave you, you will crack. Just like an egg cracks. You ever crack an egg on the stove? That's how you're going to crack. And it's going to be hard to pick up those pieces. So you must love yourself in order to be in any relationship with a best friend, with a mother, with a father, even with a soulmate. You must love yourself first. And I'm not saying you can't love them, but you have to love you in order to love somebody else. You can't pour from an empty cup. Your cup has to be overfilled. Always remember that. That's my message. Love you.